With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this question asks that in the cubic close packing the unit cell has. We know that cubic close packing is also called face-centered cubic. Now we know that number of atoms per unit cell in CCP or FCC, that is 4. We also know that number of tetrahedral void equal to 2 into number of atoms in unit cell. Here number of atoms in the unit cell, that is 4. So number of tetrahedral voids, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8. So answer is, in the cubic close packing the unit cell has 8 tetrahedral voids within the unit cell. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.